Hello guys, this is Dexter, GR Dexter. We are inside a Tesla Model Y, as you can see. It looks like that when a car goes in front of you. It is showing on the screen. So guys, my first impressions of this car are that it is a very beautiful car. You can control the windows from here. You have space in here, just 2 pedals as you can see. It accelerates very well. When I push the throttle, I have all the power on my feet. I can turn on the air condition from here. I can close it up. Also, it is a very powerful model, about 300 horsepower. I like it. Can you see it? 2 cars on the screen, 2 cars in front of me. Very nice. Space here, space here. The throttle is very smooth. I like it.